Dashing through the snow in a sleigh so bright and gay. O'er the hills we go, laughing all the way. The bells on harness ring, a melody so sweet. Oh, what joy it brings to hearts that skip a beat. Jingle bells, ring through frosty air. Oh, what fun it is to ride and leave behind all care. Jingle bells, sing your merry tune, guiding us through starry nights lit by the silver moon. The wing's a chilly friend, yet it whispers glee. For every twist and bend brings more serenity. The snowflakes kiss our cheeks, a touch so soft and shy. Each flake a secret speaks of magic in the sky. Jingle bells, echo loud and clear, caroling through winter nights, filling hearts with cheer. Jingle bells, a symphony of glee, binding us with threads of joy in love's harmony. Through frosted woods we glide, with pine trees standing tall. The sleigh's our joyful ride, adventures to recall. The stars above now gleam, a canvas vast and bright. Life feels just like a dream beneath this winter night. The fire at home burns warm, awaiting our return, with cocoa mugs in arms and tales that hearts will yearn. Yet here we linger still, the sleigh's a magic space, where winter weaves its will and time begins to race. Jingle bells, dance through snowy seas, like whispers from the heavens, carried by the breeze. Jingle bells, forever shall they play, a timeless tune of winter's charm and love that lights our way. So let the sleigh ride on, through valleys, peaks and plains, until the night is gone and daylight breaks its chains. For memories are made in moments pure and true, and under starlight shade the world feels born anew. Final go bells, jingle bells, let the spirit soar, a symphony of laughter forever we'll adore. Jingle bells, a melody divine, in winter's frosty embrace, the world is yours and mine.